Okay, time to take a look at the desk lamp. So we got the power supply. It says 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and it says it outputs 2 amps at 12 volts. And we have the lamp itself, and it actually has a metal case on there, which is actually kind of neat. So we got a light on the top, we got a light on the bottom, we got a long gooseneck on here that can actually flex and kind of move around however the heck you want to. The main thing that made me interested about this is that we have actual physical buttons on here. So these aren't the typical capacitive touch where you have to like kind of hunt around, especially if the lights are already off. You can't even see it, you can't feel it. Having a physical button, in my opinion, is the only way to go on a lamp like this. And then we've got our base, and it does have a rubber cushion on the bottom, so we don't have to worry about this scratching up our desk. The top is actually metal. That will just clip in. On the back, we got a spot for our power supply. We got a USB-C and a USB-A port. So if we want to power it on, we just find this dial and press down on it. We can see that by default, that puts on the bottom and the top light. We can dim that down if we want to, brighten it up. And we can change the color temperature to best suit whatever is most comfortable for our eyes. We also have something you don't normally see on lights. There is a little night light on the side. So if you just want to have a nice soft light in the room, you have that as an option. And then one of the neater things about it, we got a little timer. So we can click that, and then in 30 minutes it will shut off. So that way, if you want to have a light on in the room, or maybe you just want to set a timer for yourself, like maybe you want to read a book, but you want to make sure that you go to bed in a half hour, you hit that button, it'll shut the light off, and then you can go to bed. I want to check the USB-C port in the back. Yep, and we can use that for charging our phone. So that is a lot of functionality out of a simple desk lamp. So overall, that is a very cool lamp.